Hey guys, what's going on? Iceman892 here with you. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of fishing. Last time I went fishing I didn't have too much luck because there was still snow on the ground and the water was running a little fast. So here it is a couple weeks later and the snow is melted now. And the water should be running softer, I hope. So we're gonna try one of my favorite holes there in Soniaville. So it's pretty good to me for the year. So try it and see how that goes. So today my video is out and about fishing. So we will
Stop.
That's Nintendo 2009.
Yeah.
So we will see you at my fishing hole.
Pooty got a fish.
Yeah, boys.
You just got one.
Yeah.
There he is.
Look at that guy. Wood. That's what it's all about right there.
Just don't let him escape.
Stick. Yeah.
Holy frig.
Shit. Lost my line.
He's gonna get away, Poot. Oh no, he got her. Holy frig. That's a big one.
He bit that out of nowhere. And that, my friends, is what it's all about. Okay, guys. So that's it for now. I got two here, so that'll be it. And we'll go to the next spot and try it out. So that's it for now. Okay, guys. We're back home now from fishing. So I said I had 2 trout today. So all in all, it was a good day compared to last time I had none. So I said I'm gonna go again when the weather gets better. Like right now it's still a little cold, it's just warming up, so they're starting to bite now. That one was a pretty big one. I'm surprised it was that big. So okay guys, we're back from fishing now. I just filleted my trout, got them in the pan, so just gonna cook them up and then eat them. So it should be pretty tasty. So now they're starting to turn into a golden brown. So you only want to cook them for 15-20 minutes till they get golden brown, and then enjoy. Okay, so the fish is cooked and plated. So that's it for video. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we will see you on the next one.